This is how to create an augmented reality app using Unity standard pipeline. Go to File, Build Settings, select Android and switch platform. Now we need to install Google ARCore from Package Manager under Unity Registry. AR Foundation and XR Plugin will be installed automatically after restarting Unity. From Player Settings, change the company name. Then select XR Plugin Management and enable ARCore. Select Project Validation and click on Fix All. In my case, I need to remove the Vulkan Graphic API manually. Check Override Default Package Name and be sure the minimum API level is Android 7. With that done, our project is ready. Delete everything in the hierarchy and then create AR Session and XR Origin from the XR menu. Create AR default plan, make it prefab, then delete it from the scene. On XR Origin, add AR Plan Manager component and assign the AR Plan prefab. Save the scene, then go to Build Settings, add the current scene, then build the project. And that's how you create an augmented reality app on Unity standard pipeline. If my video was helpful, please consider like and subscribe. See you later. Peace.